In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a duplicate of a document just by double-clicking on it. This is all done through Stationery Pads. Let's see how this works. Let's go to my Mac. So I have this document here, this estimate document, and let's say I use this document for each customer. What I need to do is create a new estimate for each new customer. Now the way that I would do that is I would duplicate this for each customer. There are a couple of different ways to do that. One way is by selecting it, and then I control-click on it, and you're going to see Duplicate. I can also go up under File with it selected, and then go over to Duplicate. And then another way is to actually open up the document. Let's go ahead and double-click on this. It's going to open up in Pages, and then we go up under File, and you're going to see Duplicate. So that's typically how you would duplicate a document. Pretty simple, but it does leave a chance that you could overwrite your original document. If I did not duplicate this and I started typing in here, I would be overwriting that original document. If I did not duplicate this by control-clicking on it, I'd be overwriting that original document. So in most cases this will work well, but there are ways that it could fail. I may overwrite that original document. Well, a way to get around that is by creating a stationery pad out of a document. This works across multiple apps. I'm going to show you in Pages, but you can do this in Microsoft Excel, Word, or even Numbers. So how do we create a stationery pad and what does it do? Well, when I create a stationery pad out of this document, when I double-click on it to open it up, it will automatically create a duplicate. So how do we create a stationery pad? Well, all we have to do is just select it. I have it selected here. And then what we do is we go to our Finder, and then under File, you're going to see Get Info. When I select this, a new window is going to open up. We have a number of different options here, but the one that we're going to look at is Stationery Pad. Again, you will see this with multiple types of apps. You could see this in a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint document, basically any type of document. So now all I need to do is just select Stationery Pad, and then the next time I open up this document here, what it's going to do is create a duplicate. So now there's virtually no chance of me overwriting the original document. So let's go ahead and double-click on this and see how this all works. I double-click on it, and it automatically created a copy. We can see that I'm working in the copy. So let's just close this window. We have our copy here. Now I want to create another estimate. All I have to do is just double-click on my stationery pad, and I've created another copy. I'm going to close it, and now we have both of my copies. So how do you make changes to that original document now that it duplicates it every time you double-click on it? Well, all you have to do is just go back over to that Get Info window and then deselect Stationery Pad. Open up the document, make your changes, save it, and then if you need to make it a stationery pad again or you need to make duplicates whenever you open it up, turn that document back into a stationery pad, and the next time you open it up, it'll make a duplicate with your changes. So that's how you can automatically create duplicates of documents by changing a document to a stationery pad. This does work across multiple Mac OS versions. This is nothing new in Mac OS. It's been around for many years. All you have to do is just select the document. Don't open it up, but select the document that you want to create a stationery pad with. Once it's selected, when you're in the Finder, go to File and Get Info. A new window will open up. Just select Stationery Pad, and the next time you open up that document, instead of opening up the original document, it will automatically create a new document. So that's how you can automatically create duplicates of documents when you first open them up on the Mac.